You are currently trapped in grade 6 jail. And the worst part is, your own writing habits are keeping you there. You memorize every case study, you fill entire pages, and when results drop, your score is still stuck, self-limiting your answer to a level 2, missing those top marks. Here's the thing nobody tells you. It's not about how much you know, it's about how you apply it. If you just dump pure knowledge without clear application, the mark scheme keeps your answer restricted to lower levels, no matter how accurate your facts are. And the terrifying part? You are almost certainly triggering this trap right now, on every single extended answer you write. In this video, I am going to show you the exact 2-word fix that unlocks level 3 instantly. Make sure you watch until we unpack the grade 7 jailbreak formula, because that is where I show you the rewritten answer that went from a mid-level response to full marks on the same question, using the exact same facts. Let's use an actual AQA Paper 1 question to catch you in the act. Explain how physical processes cause the cross profile of a river valley to change downstream. 4 marks. A typical grade 6 student writes, in the upper course, the valley is V-shaped with steep sides. Vertical erosion happens here. Further downstream, lateral erosion takes over, so the valley gets wider and flatter. Looks perfectly fine, right? Every single fact is correct. So why does that answer fail to reach top marks? Because of the full stops. Here's the exact same answer. Same facts, 0 extra knowledge, with the full stops replaced by domino effect connectives. In the upper course, the river channel sits high above sea level, which means that energy is focused on vertical erosion via hydraulic action. This leads to deep undercutting of the valley floor, therefore resulting in steep, V-shaped valley sides vulnerable to mass movement. Further downstream, lateral erosion becomes dominant as the river meanders, resulting in the removal of interlocking spurs and a significantly wider, flatter valley floor. Same facts, same case study, but now the examiner can see the physical processes explicitly constructing the landform, and that is an immediate top marks response. But even if you've fixed every sentence, there is a second, even deadlier trap waiting for you the moment the exam paper shows you a photo or a map. And thousands of students who've mastered connectives still walk straight into it. I'm going to show you how to avoid it right now. And in 2 minutes, I'll give you a screenshot-ready checklist covering both fixes together. AQA resource questions tell you to use figure X and your own understanding. The examiner reports explicitly flag this. Thousands of students simply describe what they can see in the image. They write, Figure 17 shows a very flat landscape with sediment on either side of the river. The examiner reports say exactly this. Vague descriptions that merely lift features directly from the figure get trapped in level 1. It's an instant mark killer that looks like a safe answer. A grade 7 student uses the figure as a springboard, not as a destination. They pick one visual observation and immediately vault into textbook knowledge to explain why that feature exists. Watch this on the exact 2024 question. Figure 17 demonstrates a clear, low-lying floodplain, which shows that when the river exceeds its bankful discharge, water spills onto the surrounding valley floor. Because velocity decreases away from the main channel due to friction, the river deposits its finest sediment, leading to the gradual accumulation of fertile silt and the formation of a distinct floodplain profile. Grab your phone and screenshot this right now. This is your breakout checklist. Ban the premature full stop. Circle every full stop in your practice essays. If it separates a process from its consequence, erase it and force in a connective. Execute the Springboard rule. Never describe a figure feature in isolation. Always append which demonstrates that and inject your geographical theory immediately after. Now, here's the question I want you to answer in the comments right now. Which command word do you find hardest to answer? Explain, assess, or evaluate? Tell me below, because that's exactly what we're dismantling next. If you've been stuck at grade 6 and you're serious about breaking out, hit subscribe, because the next video hands you the key to grade 8, and most students have never even heard of the trap waiting for them there.